Hey guys, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad, and today we are unboxing the Sennheiser HD206s. So let's get started. Well, this is the condition of my current headphones. This is a Moto Pulse. Okay, I guess it's the first generation Bluetooth headsets, and as you can see, it's in a very bad condition. So my sister got me this, the Sennheiser HD206. So let's look at what is in this box. First of all, on the back side you can see that powerful stereo sound with a rich crisp bass response, closed circumaural design for high attenuation of ambient noise. Well, I don't know what circumaural means, but anyways, since it's saying high attenuation of ambient noise, I'm thinking it is probably over the ear headsets, so like naturally it gives a great noise cancellation effect. Black matte and silver finish, rugged yet lightweight design, high quality lettered ear pads, and it's there in all the languages. Also, frequency response is from 21 Hz to 18,000 Hz. Impedance is 24 ohms, and it has a sound pressure level of 108 decibels. Okay, total harmonic distortion, etc. is there, and included are the headphones and an adapter from 3.5 mm to 6.3. And by the way, it is a wired headset, it's not a wireless. And also you can see the price here, 1,490 rupees. So what's on the other side? Oh, see, yeah, it's around your headphones, like I said. Okay, so let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, I don't need a knife. I thought I'd be needing a knife. It's nice, not a bad packaging though. Okay, that's empty. So this is foam. Packaging not great, good. And there it is. Oh, first of all, I will tell you, this right here, this connector right here is of great quality, gold plated, and it is metal. It's great quality. I'm impressed by the quality. Seriously, like that is not seen frequently in earphones. Let's try plugging in. Where is the head? Oh, I can't find the head. There it is. Okay, you see. Yeah, it stays like that, and you can plug it into some audio DAC or audio adapter, etc. Okay, let's keep that aside, and let's actually try this out, shall we? Just no right or left markings, so I guess it works either way. Okay, first of all, it has great noise cancellation effects. Here you can see it covers a lot of the ear. It feels good too. And let me just switch to the sides and see. Yeah, okay, it goes to both sides, and it is also sleek fit, as you can see. Like, it fits good. And let me put my specs. Okay, if you put your specs, if you have specs, it's kind of tight like this. So basically I suggest you put specs first and then the band. And obviously the band is adjustable to your size. Oops. Okay, so you can adjust it like that on both sides. And also these have oval shape, you can see, so that is very good, because I've seen headphones that have round shape, but those like mostly on-ear earphones, like the one in my old headphones, and it kind of hurts your ears after some time, especially if you're wearing specs. It hurts a lot over here, this part. So now this is very comfortable. Okay, also let's try hearing some music. Okay, so let's get our other device and plug it in and see if we have audio. Okay, first of all, one thing that I noticed is that whenever I'm plugging this into any device, whether this or the other, I don't see it to, see, no, I hope it's visible. There's no headphone jacks in there, which is why when I'm hitting the play button, it is not playing from through the headphones, and instead is playing on the device itself. Okay, now okay, my bad. Okay, maybe it was the other device's problem, because now I can hear it loud, and it's actually pretty loud. Yeah, now it's in the max volume and it's very loud. So which one will pick up noise, this volume better, but it's actually very good. And another awesome thing I just noticed is that this cable is long. I mean, really long. Look at that. Wow. I could have the phone across the room and I could hear through the headphones. So that is great. And I feel it very comfortable to wear also, to be honest. Because especially it has got this nice padding, though this material doesn't look great to me, to be honest. Like, yeah, it feels like, I don't know if it's leather, if you call it leather. It kind of feels like plasticky, like a kind of this thin plastic bag kind of material. But it's not that kind of rough type, but it is soft, and the sponges are soft. Don't know how long it will last though. Same is the case with these ear cups. Not very thick, but pretty thick, and it has got like a little bit of a swirl. Like you can't expect it to like bend or anything. You cannot bend it over or twist it up and all. But it takes a lot of flex, not bad. And I like the comfort a lot. Like it sits there and it sits. And to be honest, it doesn't move much. Like once you tighten it, it stays. It doesn't move much, as you can see. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing, and that was that this did show the headphone jack in another device when I checked it in my OnePlus 6. It did not show on my Moto G, and it did not get give us a sound output on the Moto G5. So I don't know why that happened, but that is the case. Also, another thing that I wanted to talk about is that this device does not have a microphone, because as you can see in the wire I showed you earlier, there is no microphone holder or any controls. Even it does not have any controls. The only thing it has is this splitter, which is obviously used as a splitter. So those are the two caveats of this, or problems as I say, or disadvantages of this device. Otherwise it is pretty good, and I think everybody who likes to have a cheap over the ear headphones should try this one, and as I said before, links in the description. So I guess that's the unboxing of the Sennheiser HD206. If you want to check this out, I will put a link in the description to Amazon or Flipkart, wherever I can find it available, along with the price. Well, I guess that's it for today. So if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Hit the subscribe red subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications so that you don't miss content like this. Also, you can see more of the content from our channel here, and in the description everything will be linked there. Also, I would like to ask us like a suggestion or feedback about this new setup I've got going. How do you feel? Are the videos better? And do give me feedback, good or bad. I'm open. That's it for today. Peace.